to welcome to row one of maintenance for the week of Monday, October 23rd. So, these are problems by title that say maintenance FOIL, and by direction say please multiply as indicated, because in fact, FOIL is a method of multiplication. Please express your answer in simplest form. Now, when we first attacked FOIL, there were opportunities for you guys to multiply, and the problems were just one line, okay? Because there was nothing more you could simplify after the multiplication. You will see some problems like that. You will also see problems that require two lines so that you can continue after your first line by simplifying further. So, let's get going. I'll try and color code this as best as I can with as many color-coded arches. Problem one, the quantity of A plus B times the quantity of C plus D, which means the value of A will multiply C and D, the value of B will multiply C and D. So, to set that up, we'll look at A times C is AC, followed by A times D, which is positive D, always using the sign. That's going to give me AD. Then B times C, which is a positive result of BC. And then final color here, B times D is BD. Now, we will quickly scan here and see we have AC and no more ACs. Then you look at AD and no more ADs. BC and no more BCs. There's nothing there that can be further combined. That means this is in fact the answer. Okay? So, that being said, moving on to the next problem where it says quantity 5 minus n times the quantity C minus D. This means it'll be 5 times C and 5 times negative D, followed by negative n times C, and then followed by negative n times negative D. So be careful with your signs. So in red, 5 times C is 5C. In blue, 5 times negative D is negative 5D. In green, negative n times C is negative nC. And then again, in purple, we have negative n times negative D is positive nd. We'll do a quick scan for like terms. 5C, there's no more C terms. There's one here of NC, but you're not really able to kind of combine that. Similarly here for 5D, there's no more singularly D terms. Okay, scanning, none of these terms match. This is your final answer. Scrolling on to the next problem that says quantity x plus 2 times the quantity x plus 4. We have that x times x is x squared. For those of you that are wondering, that is card 4. Okay, the exponent does change when we're multiplying. This is followed by x times 4 is 4x. This is followed by 2 times x is 2x. And then the last one is 2 times 4 is 8. Now when we continue to scan, we see that x squared, there's no more x squareds. Here we see 4x. Oh, we do have some x terms here. So we're actually going to look here in the middle. This is card 1, adding same letters. So the exponent will not change, making your final answer x squared plus 6x plus 8. What a great final answer. Moving right along to problem 4, we have m minus 7 in quantity times quantity p plus d. So it's m times p and m times d. Just want to adjust my colors there. It's m times p and m times d, followed by negative 7 times p and negative 7 times d. So m times p is mp. M times d is positive md. Remember, every time you get a result, it will be positive or negative. Use that sign. You guys are showing a lot of growth this year with that. Negative 7 times p and is negative 7p, and negative 7 times d is, in fact, negative 7d. We look to scan quickly. MP, there's no more MP terms. Similarly for MD, Similarly for P and D, making this our final answer. So, into our last problem in row 1, we've got the quantity y minus 9 times the quantity y minus 6. So, we've got y minus times y will be y squared, followed by y times negative 6 is negative 6y, followed by negative 9 times y is negative 9y, followed by negative 9 times negative 6 is positive 54. And a quick scan here reveals that although we don't have any more y squareds, we do have more y's in the middle. So we will collect them, y squared, using the box referring to both signs. You owe me 6, you owe me 9 means you owe me 15. Keeping the y from card 1, bringing down the 54 to maintain value, which is still positive. So, thank you so very much. Feel free to rewatch this with any pause for the cause that you might need, and enjoy. Swimming.